You have to say your name.
Okay, ready? Here
You don't have to post anymore.
Here we go.
Hey guys, it's Allie.
And Emma.
And Kinsley. And Olivia.
And today we're going to be making some slime like we did yesterday, but we have two special guests, which is Olivia and Kinsley.
And I'm her cousin, but she's her sister.
Yep. So we all got our bowls and stuff, and basically 3 slimes.
Glow in the dark.
This one is for Olivia, but it's glow in the dark.
And then we have glitter.
Safe glitter.
There's 14 packs in here. It's the one we used yesterday. And then we have this magic liquid and like
That
all we have
turns
to
it to
do-
slime.
Yeah. And we
Yeah,
use
not
this stuff.
Yep.
Glue. I might not use all mine because I don't want mine to stick to
Okay, so we're gonna first start with our glue, so everybody get glue. I don't think Kinsley can reach.
How do we open it?
like this.
Okay, it has to go in the bowl, okay? Pour it all in the bowl.
Yours is dripping out. Mine's not. Oh God, I need help. Well, mine's going to the top. Oh God, I need help. And she likes to call me Kinsley.
I can't help it. I get mixed up because I see Kinsley so much.
Where's the shaving cream go?
Oh, it's under the. Okay, I'll get it.
You gonna put shaving cream in your skin, Blake?
I do.
So guys, we basically forgot to get the shaving cream out. So
My gallon is already running
it's
out.
on a gallon.
Well, it's,
Is it already running out? Okay.
yeah. I need help getting my glue out. It's done. I think. Nope. It's not.
Here, I'll wait.
I want shaving cream in mine. I want shaving cream in mine too. Whoa! Mine looks better because I like white. Where's the shaving cream? Shaving cream. Shaving cream. When they leave, we can play Roblox.
Alright.
With the shaving cream, then I'm stalling because I know how to stall. I want some shaving cream in mine too.
Okay, so they're getting their shaving cream in. I'm just getting my last bit of slime now.
Do I have to stall now?
Yeah, you can start.
Coming out really good. It's not too hard. Mine's already colored. They still have to color theirs. Mine, I don't.
Okay, now we're going to add our glitter.
Glitter.
Hey, what color you want, Kinsley?
Get more.
I
Well, dang, Olivia.
want purple. I want golden. I want gold. Okay, that's
Oh,
Which
which one?
one?
Golden. Wait, stuff is coming out.
This one I used last night.
I want to pour it in.
I want
What, yellow?
yellow.
And
Give me yellow and orange.
What color do you want, Olivia?
I'll take purple.
Yeah, try a different color since they're
Which purple? This one?
Yeah, and blue. Can you open me?
What color blue?
Dark blue. And can I have another color?
You want this dark blue?
Glitter's not good, guys. I don't recommend.
Can you help me open this one?
Wait, what color green you want?
That color. I want to put this one in first.
Oh, dang it.
What? Did you pour all of it in? Oh, I got a lot in there. We need a lot. I put a lot in mine. Now it's not done.
Why? You gotta put this one in.
Are you allowed to put the whole packet in?
So I also have yellow.
And I still have. I put that one in too. Like I still have blue. Whoa, it got everywhere. Yeah, me too.
Can you open this for her?
I already started mine.
I want this one. I'm gonna use
Dang,
the
we
one
already
I
have
used
their
last
mouth
night. Okay, well, I'm sorry.
Give me, I want to pour it in, Allie.
Mine kind of reminds me of Belle.
Those not glittery.
Mine's, yeah, but she has yellow.
Olivia's was glittery before she even put her
Glitter in.
glitter in.
Yeah.
Oh, mine already starting to look like. Oh, more glitter.
What that looks like? I don't even know what.
I know what that looks like. Confetti. Confetti?
Yeah, confetti. Like
Alright,
those
you guys.
Cupcake.
Wait, give me the shaving cream. I'm gonna add a little bit
I
more.
want more shaving cream.
I don't think you
too.
do.
I want some more.
Okay, be
shaving-
careful. Don't make a mess.
Can I have more shaving
I want
cream?
more glitter.
Thank you. 'Cause I want mine to be extra, not extra sticky. Not
It
that.
doesn't make it sticky or non-sticky. It makes it fluffy.
Mine's a
I want
little.
more glitter.
I'm gonna put in some. Should I put in some black glitter?
I mean, you can.
I'm copy glitter.
Here, I'm gonna break this.
Emma, can you straw this? Because I can't.
I'm gonna put some in this. Put that in there.
Yeah, I'm going to put some in this.
And some of this. There you go, Olivia.
Yeah, I know.
Mine is gonna go glow in the dark. Oh,
Can you
Watch
give me the activator stuff out?
hang on.
And I want some too. Can you help me straw it? Because my thumb pops. But I can still play with slime.
Of course you can.
Okay, so
Wait.
Kinsley has pink, silver, and blue, and green. I have like teal and black. Olivia has
Multiple.
purple,
and
Blue.
pink, blue.
no, I don't have pink.
Yeah, you're putting in pink right now.
No.
And then
That's
Allie put in
Some orange and yellow.
orange and yellow.
And my slime is
So-
glittery, so yeah.
Yeah, she put in pink. So now we're gonna try to activate
watch out.
this.
Okay.
Do we fill it up all the way?
To 1/4, yes.
I want some.
I don't want to like over-activate it, so I'm not filling it up all the way.
I want some.
Some what?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna get it. And
Does it
mine
make it
really,
sticky?
really,
No, it
really,
makes it
really,
slimy.
really,
Start.
really good. Mine's already
Turns
coming
into
into
slime.
slime.
Oh dang!
Mine's already coming into slime.
I don't look at that one either.
Well, mine is shimmery now.
Let me help you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think I need white.
I don't want to overactivate myself.
I think I need white.
I might have some.
I need white. And mine.
We've almost used all of this.
It's fine.
Oh, mine's coming
You
together.
may have to go in with our
Mine's coming into slime. Mine is too. Mine's coming.
Well, Olivia's is actually slime. Yours is like glue that's
Can I feel it?
has
Yeah.
that's barely. You know what? I don't care anymore.
Whoa, it's so wet. Whoa.
I know.
Stop. Fuck the chair.
Yes. Slimy and wet. Was that thunder?
No.
I got Kinsley's.
I don't want none.
It makes the slime not like. I'm probably gonna add more shaving cream.
Come on, Kinsley. I'll do yours in a few minutes. I'm not sick.
Oh, look at mine.
Is yours still wet?
Yeah. Kinsley.
Yeah, mine's still wet.
I'll make yours, Kinsley. Anyway, I have to let mine sit.
Alright, be careful because mine might have too much glue in it. Put it that.
Why is
I put it the whole can in.
We did too.
That our can and now stuff it.
Yeah, because it's kind of sticky. Kind of. Do you want to touch it? Sticky.
I This is what my slime feels like now. This is what my slime feels like. Yeah, it's just a lot harder. Because there's chunks in there. There's not chunks of glitter.
It's always Allie that gets hers first.
Okay, can I put mine in my hands? Yeah, just right there in my hands. Whoa, look!
It's hard. Uh-oh.
Yours is getting really hard, Kinsley. Yeah, yours is slime. Yours is slime. Yours is slime. And it's way too much. Yeah, I can't get in. Allie, I want to touch your slime. Okay. I'm rolling my sleeves in. I'm going in. I'm diving in with my hands. I'm not diving with my hands. My sleeves are up. I'm going in with my hands. Oh no. Sticky.
So guys, this is how mine's turned out.
Where's my spoon? She probably took it out. And I'm going to take my spoon out. I want some of this in mine. Oh, God.
It's in yours. I'm gonna help y'all.
So Allie's the slime expert. Mine's gooey, goopy. Stuck on my hands. Well, I got
Just put it back for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and put yours on the table. Olivia, come this way.
Can you take mine to over there, please?
Come on. Guys, I'll be right back.
Well, I was wrong.
Okay, guys.
Mine is really sticky.
I'm doing mine right now. I was helping Kinsley, so I'm gonna finish mine.
Mine is sticky,
Awesome.
but it's a little bit pink because she touched it.
It's fine.
Hey, don't leave me here. It's okay.
I add a little bit of stuff with it.
Now what do I do?
Okay, guys, so here's mine.
Mine is like, whoa.
Okay, put yourself.
Mine.
And you can even put hers on the table and it will stick.
Yeah. Mine is like a dream come true.
Oh.
Mine is like, whoa. Whoa. I think I put it.
Here, pull it off the table real quick. Don't add any more glitter to it.
I am. So like. And mine picks up glitter. Mine
Okay, guys, so
Mine is sticky.
Our slime turned out well.
Sticky, sticky, sticky. Hey, don't touch it. Sticky.
thank you guys for watching on
And we are going
Slime
to keep
Sisters
you guys on. So you guys can
Episode
watch us play.
2.
Thanks
Like
for
and
watching. Subscribe. Like and I can't. I'm busy playing with the slime.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
Stay tuned for the next video.
Stay tuned for the next video.
Say comment suggestions below.
Comment down below. What
For
you would like to